Number 7 is to know your pay stub well enough that you can explain it to someone else. So when it comes to the pay stub, this is a function of understanding taxes and your employee benefits. When we start working with a new couple or a new person, one of the first steps that we ask them to do is to provide us with 2 recent pay stubs. And I can't tell you how many times we come across someone who is either not taking enough taxes out of their check, which could lead to a big tax bill, or they're taking too much out of their check when it comes to having multiple jobs and getting double taxed for Social Security. Their withholding isn't something they understand. We also, when going through those pay stubs, they have insurances that they weren't aware that they were paying for. Maybe they are over contributing to something that makes their contributions out of whack. We'll come across someone who's putting more into their employee stock purchase program than they are into places like their 401k. And it's not something that they were aware of because they set it and forget it so long ago that it's not something that's in front of them. When it comes to FICA taxes and OASDI taxes and imputed income tax for group life insurance, it is a good skill to have to be able to know what is actually being withheld from your paycheck before the money hits your account. So I would encourage you to take 20 or 30 minutes, take out a recent pay stub, identify the things that you don't understand, Google the things that are Googleable, reach out to HR for the things that are specific to your company, and have a better grasp on your pay stub so that you can explain it to someone else if you needed to. And you would be surprised the amount of insights that you can pick up that will either identify opportunities to save even more money or benefit from pre-tax deductions at a higher level, or in other cases, by making some adjustments to things like your withholdings, prevent you from having a big tax bill that you didn't expect at the end of the year.